Jai Hind. I'm Colonel Sunil Verma. I belong to Armed Forces Medical Services, and I'm here at AMTZ at Kalam Institute of Health Technology to participate in a 10th fellowship program on HTA. While I participated in the fellowship program, I used this opportunity to go around and see what the facilities AMTZ has created under the stewardship of Dr. Jitendra Sharma. My experience has been overwhelming because the kind of work that is being done and being generated here, that is absolutely conforming to the quality standards. The country has to use that indigenously made technology so that it is available to everyone at affordable price and people have access to healthcare facilities. It has been a wonderful experience and I wish AMTZ all the very best for all their future events. Thank you.